State-level children's chess tournament held at Tangam Mount Literacy School. Sindhu Purani of 6th B continues to participate and impress in chess tournament at the national level. State-level champion B. Ketan Preeti of 9th A wins laurels in swimming. S.B. Adira of 3rd B has secured the second place in the district level Wushu Championship. S.V. Janani of 4th B has carved a mark in district level skating championship. Teachers' Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm. The students hosted an array of events showing love and appreciation for their teachers. The teachers in turn enthused the students with various events on the Children's Day. Devotion to our nation was evident as students celebrated Independence Day. The aesthetic abilities of students dazzled as Diwali was celebrated in an eco-friendly manner. The nobility and generosity of our parents and students radiated as they contributed their might towards the cause of the flood-affected brethren in Chennai. Early childhood education has always been a foundational aspect and focus of our institution. To further the learning of the kindergarten children, various competitions were organized as part of the Children's Day celebration. A mirth-filled Christmas and savory Pongal was celebrated. One-day picnic to Black Thunder and Wonderla Bangalore was arranged for the students. World Environment Day was celebrated on June 5, 2015, bringing to light the various environmental hazards. Saplings were planted to promote a healthy planet, and students pledged to protect the environment. International Yoga Day was observed on 21st June 2015. The students enthusiastically participated to propagate yoga by performing various asana. The 84th birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was observed as National Students' Day, and the performance inspired the Igniting Young Minds. The birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was observed as National Unity Day. A solemn pledge was taken to maintain the unity and integrity of the country. The students of class 9th and 10th were empowered about the new advancement of water therapy through a discourse by Mr. T. Krishnan, Ozone Geological Environmental Research Foundation. Learning through music was encouraged by organizing a seminar on education through music along with the Hindu and classical pianist and founder of Rhapsody, Sri Anil Srinivasan, and he engaged the students with an informative and entertaining talk. A tip to improve memory and concentration was imparted to students of classes 8th to 10th by Dr. G. Maheswaran, Principal, VSA Group of Institutions. The true purpose of education is realized by inculcating values and discipline, and so a week-long value-based education seminar was presented to our students in a lively manner, and this has enlightened them. The guides have been an integral part of the school. True to their motto, "Be prepared," 26 student guides took the solemn oath to discharge their duties diligently. 19 students, along with the captain teachers, attended the training camp organized at Station Chavadi from 15/10/2015 to 17/10/2015. The Road Safety Patrol program, which was started last year, continues to support the commuters to follow safety measures and regulations. To further facilitate our vision, a new block has been built, and we plan to use the same effectively in the coming academic year. At this moment, I would like to pause and reflect on all the goodness that the Lord Almighty has bestowed on us. We are especially praying for the first batch of class 10 students as they prepare as they appear for the public board exam, and I do request the parents also to pray for them. As we progress in growth, I take this opportunity to convey my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents of our school for your support and cooperation in our endeavor. Let us strive together in our efforts to mold this generation into responsible citizens of tomorrow. I pray, may this year 2016 be a year of peace, prosperity, and abundance for all of you. Thank you.
Values that we learn here will make us valuable in the future.
We are blessed to get educated in this reputed educational hub.
They take them. This day is a much awaited day in every student's life, as it gives the returns to the effort put in by them throughout the academic endeavor. I now invite our chief guest, Mr. B. Arumugam, the Senior Superintendent of Post Office, Salem East Division, to honor the students who have secured the General Proficiency Award for the year 2015-16. The following girls have secured the General Proficiency Award for the year 2015-16. LKG A, S. Magdal. LKG B, P. Shakti. LKG C, Subhashita. UKGA K. Danyashri. UKGB P. Diya Sharma. UKGC S. Lakshana. First A. Janani. First B. R. Shraddha. First standard A. Janani. First standard B. R. Shraddha. First standard C. R. S. Takshana. Second A. K. Ashmita. Second B. A. S. Bhavanandana. Second C. N. S. Samyukta. Third A. G. Hemasiva Surya. Third B. H. Chitti Bomma Bhavya. Third C. MBR Swati Ramanan. Fourth A. Fourth A. S. Sri Shadvi. Fourth B. M. Subhashri. Fourth C. Jagrati Mandal. Fifth A. K. L. Maitreyi. Fifth B. A. Menaka. Fifth C. N. Sweta Saumini. Sixth A. K. K. Praveena. Sixth B. C. Darshini Shri. Seventh A. S. P. Subiksha. 7B K Madhuvarshini, 8A M Sollaravi, 8B SG Nandana, 9A R Harshita, 9B T Harini, 9C S Arbin Fatima, 10th standard V Vijay Vaishnavi. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sister. I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. B. Arumugam, the Senior Superintendent of Post Office, Salem East Division, to address the gathering.
Respected correspondent madam, principal, sisters and brothers, teachers, parents and dear students. It is my pleasure to be the part of the 5th annual day function. Actually, this is a short interruption. Actually, I think I can speak both Tamil and in English. That will be better. I hope you won't mind it. I am very glad to see these little angels are dancing and singing. Actually, I was not originally the part of this function. Anyhow, if I could not come here, I would have missed this kind of fun. Actually, the program which was shown to you has already given a very good message. One regarding the cell phones, how technology has taken us to such a bad side. Actually, I want to tell you one thing. When Graham Bell has invented the telephone, it is a hearsay. அதாவது when he approached a company for the promotion of the telephone, the company has told Graham Bell, I don't want this a play kit. Actually, it is a play kit for your children. But after this 100 years, we can see this the mobile became a play kit in everybody's hand. But the message is correctly delivered by the students that it has to be used properly. And I am very glad to be this. And second thing, as I am seeing this school, actually from the annual report given by the principal, the school has given a great ground for many activities and it is preparing a very good students and the future citizen of this country. Actually, my congratulations to many of the students who are the national and state level champions from these schools. And I also thank the parents for their full-fledged efforts by bringing them. And I want to tell you a very small story, not a small story, a real one. Actually, one of my colleagues, she is also an Indian Postal Service officer. Actually, I could not know, but he was the award winner, National Bravery Award winner in 1990. What is the thing is, even till now her hands is burnt with some kind of fire. I asked her what has happened. She told, she is from Odisha, she told during a great fire accident, she saved her sister and brothers from the fire. And for that action, she was selected for the National Bravery Award and was awarded by the President of India at the time. I can see the people around us, there is no separate personalities or separate heroes or heroines outside. There are a lot of persons within us. So I want every one of you to get a good success in your life. I think this school is giving such an ambience and opportunity to all. And as you all, I want to say from a civil service side, the country in the future wants a good governance as well as a good administration. And I have seen many of the women are coming forward in the administration side and in the governance side also. In the future, we expect a lot of women to be the part of the political system. We want a country which is corruption free, which is terrorism free. So I feel that women can change the world. I feel from this school there may be somebody who will climb to this ladder and become a part of the change in the near future. I thank you all for this opportunity. I thank the management for giving me such a good opportunity to be the part of this annual day function. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging and motivating words.
You have further motivated us to achieve something in our lives. And Director of Agriculture Salem to address the gathering.
Respected correspondent, respected principal, staff, students and parents. It gives me immense pleasure in participating in this annual day event of Holy Angels Public School. So I am very thankful to the management for giving me this opportunity. Really, I am delighted very much by the performance of the children. They have not only entertained us, but have given messages. எனக்கு இதை பார்த்த உடனே என்னுடைய பள்ளி மற்றும் கல்லூரி வாழ்க்கையில் அப்படியே திரும்ப சென்றது. என்னுடைய கல்லூரி கோவை வேளாண்மை கல்லூரியில் நான் படித்து கொண்டிருந்த போது இதுபோல் ஆனுவல் டே, அங்கே கிளப் டேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, ஆனுவல் டே அண்டு முத்தமிழ் விழா அப்படின்னு நிறைய நிகழ்ச்சிகள் நடத்தப்படும். அந்த முத்தமிழ் விழா என்பது இயல் இசை நாடகம் 3 நாட்கள் அந்த நிகழ்ச்சி நடைபெறும். அதில் பட்டிமன்றங்கள், இசை நிகழ்ச்சி, நாடகம் என பல்வேறு நிகழ்ச்சிகள் 3 நாட்களும் நடைபெறும். அதில் பல்வேறு